Pros and cons of onyx countertops. Dear friends, although granite and quartz are the most popular options for stone countertops, there are several other stones that can also add beauty to your kitchen or bathroom. Among these lesser used stones is onyx. Here's what you need to know about the pros and cons of onyx countertops and why they can make a beautiful addition to your home. What is onyx? Onyx is a soft, brittle stone that forms when limestone is dissolved and redeposited. It often originates from dripstone deposits in limestone caves, where it forms as stalactites and stalagmites. Onyx is a calcareous, containing calcium carbonate, stone which can contain colorful veins and unique swirling patterns. Because of its fragility, onyx should be carefully evaluated to ensure it will perform well for its intended use. The pros of onyx. First, let's look at why you might want to consider a stone like onyx. Aesthetics. Onyx is quite rare in the kitchen when compared to natural stones like marble and granite, but it can flourish in bathroom settings with applications like vanity countertops or walling. Colorful veining and gorgeous swirling patterns make onyx a truly unique addition to the home. Long-lasting. If properly cared for and maintained, onyx can last upward of 100 years. Lighting. Perhaps the most unique feature of onyx is its translucency, which means the stone can be backlit. While this likely isn't practical for everyday use in kitchen countertops, onyx can be used around the base of a kitchen island, as backsplash, around bathroom vanities, bathtubs, or in walling that is backlit, or lit from the inside, creating an effect that makes it seem like the stone itself is glowing. The cons of onyx. When it comes to using onyx for kitchen countertops, there are a few drawbacks to consider. Fragility. As mentioned above, onyx is soft, brittle, and fragile when compared to some other natural stones. This means the stone isn't likely to hold up well in high-traffic areas like kitchen countertops. Onyx slabs tend to come with a fiberglass mesh backing to help strengthen and hold it together. Softness. Onyx can be scratched or scraped easily, which makes it prone to taking on damage from everyday use in the kitchen. Calcium-based. Since onyx is a calcium-based stone, it reacts to acidic substances and will likely etch from these types of spills, wine, lemon juice, vinegar, etc., or if an acidic cleaner is used. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.